Wake up! Good morning, everyone! Today, we talk about simple ways to practice English while getting ready for the day.
Morning, Rebecca. Or should I say, good morning, world? I don't know about you, but I'm still half asleep.
Same here, James. But you know what? That's the perfect time to practice English naturally, even before your coffee.
Wait, you mean I can talk English while brushing my teeth? Or, well, still in my pajamas?
Exactly. You can even translate some of your thoughts in English from French to order your croissant at the bakery. That's the beauty of morning English practice. Let's show our listeners how it works.
Hmm. Okay, Rebecca. What's the very first step for practicing English in the morning? Because right now, all I want is my bed.
Honestly, start simple. Start tiny. Begin with self-talk. When you brush your teeth, wash your face, or look in the mirror, talk to yourself in English, even if your voice is sleepy. Try gentle morning sentences like, "Good morning, James. Today is a new day. I feel calm and ready to learn English. I'm going to speak English with confidence today. Let's make today productive and positive."
Good morning, me. Today is a new day. I feel confident. Actually, I feel hungry.
That's okay. You can say that too. I feel hungry. I want breakfast. Everything is English practice, even the small things.
Oh, so I don't need big, perfect sentences?
Exactly. No perfection in the morning, just activation. When you speak out loud, even if it's just one sentence, you wake up your English brain. Here's a simple morning English routine you can try. Open your eyes. Say one sentence. Good morning. I'm grateful for today. Sit up on your bed and say how you feel. I feel a little tired, but I'm ready. Walk to the bathroom and describe actions. I'm washing my face. I'm brushing my teeth. Look in the mirror and say one positive message. I can speak English today. I'm improving every morning.
Oh, wow. That actually feels doable and kind of fun. I like talking to myself. Makes me feel like I'm in a movie.
Exactly. Make it fun. Make it light. Even if you feel shy, even if you whisper, it still counts. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is wake up your mouth, wake up your brain and start thinking in English before the day starts.
Okay, I can do that. Good morning, James. Today, you're going to crush your English.
Yes, that's the spirit. This is how we begin the day. Simple, positive, and in English. Great. All right, James. Now that your English brain is awake, let's move to the next step. Talking about your morning routine. Just use simple, short sentences. No need to be perfect. Here are some examples. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I take a shower. I wash my face. I put on my clothes. I make my bed. When you say these sentences aloud, you connect English to your real actions, and that makes learning easier.
Okay. So if I drop my socks on the floor, which, by the way, happens every morning, can I say, oops, I dropped my socks?
Yes, that's perfect. And if you want to be even more natural, you can say, "Oops, I dropped my socks again." See? You're already improving.
Wow, I'm basically a morning English expert.
A very sleepy expert, but yes.
Okay, I'm going to try. I make my breakfast. I eat eggs and toast.
Perfect. Now let's make it more fun. Add emotions, add reactions. I eat eggs and toast. Yummy. I drink coffee. It's hot. I'm hungry this morning.
Yummy. Wow. Practicing English makes breakfast so dramatic.
Yes, because English is more fun when you add feelings. Try saying how you feel, too. I feel tired. I feel awake now. I feel relaxed.
Okay, let me try again. I drink water. Ah, fresh. I eat my toast. Crunchy.
Amazing! That's exactly how beginners should practice. Short sentences, real actions, real emotions. Try this routine every morning. Describe what you're doing. I open the window. I look outside. Describe how you feel. I feel calm today. Add one fun emotion. I drink my coffee. So good. Simple, natural, Real English.
Honestly, this makes my morning feel lighter and a little funnier.
Exactly. English doesn't need to be stressful. It can be part of your morning, like sunshine. While you walk to the kitchen or get ready for work, you can practice short phrases like, I am going to work. I take the bus at 8 a.m. Today, I will learn something new.
Hmm. I can also practice asking questions. What is for breakfast? Do I have time for coffee?
Exactly. Asking questions out loud helps you think in English naturally.
Okay. Do I have time for coffee? Yep, still sleepy, but English is happening.
Another tip is to combine English with daily tasks. For example, when you pack your bag, I put my notebook in the bag. I take my phone. I don't forget my keys.
Oh, and if I forget my wallet, I can say, "Oh no, I forget my wallet." Ha ha. uh,
Perfect. That's how learning becomes practical and fun.
what about shopping phrases?
Yes, you can practice while making breakfast or planning lunch. I need bread and milk. How much is this? I like this fruit.
Ah, so tomorrow when I go to the store, I can already speak English naturally.
Let's try a short conversation, like in real life.
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Do you want milk and sugar?
Yes, please. One sugar. Thank you.
See, you practiced real English you can use today.
I feel like I'm really awake now. English plus coffee equals perfect morning.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile while speaking. Your brain remembers words faster when you enjoy it. James, and everyone listening, remember something important. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need a little practice every morning. Even 3 minutes, even 5 minutes. It truly makes a difference. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do it every day, not because you want perfection, but because small habits keep you healthy. English is the same. Small daily practice keeps your English alive.
Yeah, I can feel it. Small steps every day. Brush my teeth, make breakfast, walk to work. And English comes with me, like a friend walking next to me.
Exactly. English doesn't have to be something heavy. It can be your morning companion, like music, like sunshine, like your first cup of water.
You know, Sometimes I feel guilty when I skip a day, like I'm failing.
Oh no, skipping a day is normal. Even native speakers don't think about English every moment. What matters is that you come back. Come back with curiosity, not pressure. If you feel nervous while speaking, that's completely normal. It means you care. Just breathe and speak anyway. And when you make a mistake, laugh. Don't hide. Say, oops, I need more practice.
Oops, I need more practice. Oh, wow, that felt good.
See? Mistakes don't hurt. They help. They show you're trying. And every mistake is one step closer to confidence. That's it for today's morning English practice. Try these tips tomorrow morning and see how easy it is to speak English naturally while you wake up.
Yes, don't forget, talk to yourself, laugh at mistakes, and enjoy your morning.
Thank you for joining us on English Clear Conversations. See you tomorrow. Keep practicing and good morning.